Hello everybody. It is a seriously rainy day today. Everything's turning green. It is a sign that spring has sprung. You know, April showers, May flowers, and all that. I know I have a cat around here somewhere. Oh, there's one. I have been tidying up the porch. The only thing I have left is basically some old encyclopedias, which are obsolete and useless, so I'll be dumping them somewhere. And the little table, which I actually kind of like on the porch, so I might keep it here. Who knows? The garbage cans are on their side because it's been kind of windy and I don't want them to blow away. And that is for the town when they come along and pick up garbage on spring cleaning. And I have some mats on the walkway because they're nice and mushy, and I like mushy mats. Why are you hiding behind the chair? So yeah, this is my front yard. It's done nothing but rain for like 2 months. To give you an idea, Dave's leg, grass. Seriously. Better not bring the camera out into the water. I have never seen my grass this high. Not really a lot I can do about it. I guess I don't have to wash the truck. Yeah, that's a good thing. And there's the pig. This is like the first thing that I hung up in the house when I moved here. Dad got me this from somewhere. And he's just adorable. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.